Hi viewers, welcome to JSM. In this video, I am going to explain electropositivity. So let us see what is electropositivity. Electropositivity means the tendency of an atom to lose electron and forms cation is known as electropositivity. Okay, tendency of an atom to lose electron, okay, and to form cation is known as electropositivity. So let us see. For example, here I am taking an atom. Okay, if this atom contain one electron, the tendency of this atom to lose its electron is known as electropositivity. Electropositivity. So this electropositivity is opposite to electronegativity. Electropositivity is opposite to electronegativity. So means here, so already we know that what is electronegativity. Electronegativity means attracting of bonded electrons. When an atom with more electronegativity attract electron and change it to the anion. Okay, when an atom with high electronegativity attracts bonded electron towards it and change it to the anion. Okay, then the atom with high electropositivity lose the electron and change it to the cation. So for example, if you take sodium and chlorine, here sodium with high electropositivity, so that's why by the loss of electron the sodium change it to cation, that is Na plus. So chlorine with high electronegativity, so that's why it's gain one electron. Chlorine gains one electron. Okay, that means accepting electron and change it to Cl minus, then it is said to be anion. Okay, the atom with high electropositivity loses electron very easily and converting into the cation. The atom with high electronegativity accept bonded electron, then converting into anion. Okay, this is the difference between electropositivity and electronegativity. So based on this relation, you can say the atom with high electropositivity, has less electronegativity, and the atom with high electronegativity has less electropositivity. This is the relation. So based on the electropositivity is opposite to the electronegativity. Okay, let us see variation of electropositivity in periodic table. So what will happen here, you see, so when you take a group, so what will happen in a group? So in a group from top to bottom, okay, for example I am taking here lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. So when you see here, from lithium to cesium, atomic size increases. From lithium to cesium, atomic size what will happen? Increases. When atomic size increases, nuclear attractions decreases. When the nuclear attractions decreases, the losing capacity of electron increases. Okay, so from lithium to cesium, atomic size increases. When atomic size increases, nuclear charge decreases. When nuclear charge decreases, losing capacity of electron increases. So that is nothing but electropositivity increases. So that's why what we can say, in a group from top to bottom, electropositivity increases. Okay, so let us see in period. In a period what will happen? In a period from left to right, size of the atom, what will happen? Size of the atom decreases. So for example, I am taking here lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay, from lithium to fluorine, size of the atom, atomic size decreases. When the atomic size decreases, nuclear charge increases. When the nuclear charge increases, losing capacity of electron decreases. When the losing capacity of electron decreases is nothing but electropositivity decreases. Electropositivity decreases. That's why what you can say here, in a period, okay, from left to right, electropositivity decreases. Okay, so this property electropositivity, so when you observe the difference between electropositivity and electronegativity, so both are opposite. So already we discussed that from top to bottom in a group, electronegativity decreases. Okay, here electropositivity increases. Both are opposite. Electropositivity increases, electronegativity decreases. In a period from left to right, electropositivity decreases is nothing but electronegativity, what will happen? Electronegativity increases. So totally in the periodic table, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, okay, has high electropositivity. Alkali metals and alkaline earth metals shows high electropositivity. Then halogens with less electropositivity. Okay, halogens with less electropositivity, and first A group and second A group. So first A group elements nothing but alkali metals, second A group elements means alkaline earth metals, shows high electropositivity. Okay, the total periodic table, okay, cesium, the element cesium metal has high electropositivity and fluorine has least electropositivity. Okay, the total periodic table among all elements, cesium with high electropositivity and fluorine with least electropositivity. Okay.